Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and Android version so you know which launcher behaviors apply. Once you've unlocked and found the widget on the home screen, long press an empty area to enter edit mode. This reveals widgets, wallpapers, and settings. Make sure to move slowly and not trigger app shortcuts. If you don't see edit options, swipe to other home pages. Some widgets sit on secondary screens. This step ensures you're in control before removing anything. You now long press the target widget until the contextual options appear, because that gives you both removal and app-level choices. Drag the widget to remove or delete at the top or bottom of the screen. Once you drop it, it disappears from the home page. If you need to prevent it reappearing, tap App Info and disable the widget or restrict permissions. For widgets locked by the launcher, open Settings, navigate to Home Screen Options, and unlock widgets before retrying. You finish by scanning all home screens and the app drawer to confirm the widget is gone. If it persists, restart the phone and make sure to clear the launcher cache via Settings App's Launcher Storage. This often forces changes to apply. If that fails, uninstall or disable the app that provides the widget, or reset the home launcher to defaults. Quick troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, clearing launcher data or reinstalling the launcher usually resolves stubborn, persistent widgets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.